Hello, I am Harshi Patel, a UI/UX designer um, based in Ahmedabad, India. I am currently in second year and pursuing my bachelor's degree in designing. So, I am excited to share my first mobile application study project with you all guys on based on catering application. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more updates. This is the low fidelity design, showcasing the initial concepts and user flow of my application. Starting with the splash screen, here a user are greeted with the firm's logo, establishing the brand familiarity. Moving further on the onboarding screen, introduce about the catering firms over here, and which selected the tone and informs user about the application purpose and their benefits. Moving further on the login and sign up screen, where user have to enter their credentials for securing access to personalized catering services. Where user have to enter their username if they were login and their password. They can also log in via uh, Facebook, Apple account, and Instagram. Furthermore, after login and sign up, the user can select their um, if they forget their password, they can user can reset their password via phone number or else email, securing the quick account recovery. After that, a user can select their preferred catering location for according to their convenience. The main screen displays the main screen displays the location of the user in the topmost corner, and below besides that there is a hamburger button to for the easy navigation for the user. After below that, there is a recommendation section offers personalized suggestion based on user preference and their past order. Below that, there is a full menu of is organized by the category, allowing user to browse offering easily. In the in the pizza section, the selected item are showcased like this. The three item added, and after that, there is a full page is of that particular item, where your user can browse the selected item and the description of that particular item, like the category description, ingredients, nutritional value, in customer reviews, and informed decision. They can have smart decision making. After that, there is a included item screen, where user can see the included item they have selected for the order. Below that, there is a edit option. They can edit their selected item, and they can add more item if they want, and they can add cooking request over here. The, after selecting this page will open, where they can add their cooking instructions and they can save. Below that, there is a bill summary, where they can see the subtotal for of their bill and grand total. And below that, there is a contact add contact details CTA button, where users are redirected to this page. Over here, they have to add their personal details such as the name, mobile number, and the date and time of the event. uh, Step 2 includes the address information, where they have to enter their information in this order. After saving address, there is a CTA button for the checkout, continue checkout, and the user are redirected to this page, where user can select the payment option via card, wallet, and net banking, and cash on delivery. After payment confirmation, this screen will appear, where user can navigate their order, navigate and track their order, and they can view their order details from here. If there is any query or in the delivery, they can call on this number or else mail on this ID. This is your profile screen where that is include where they are included their name and profile picture, and they can also edit the following details via edit profile menu. Below that there is a wish list. After your rating profile, your rating where they can rate the item and ingredient according to their recommendation. Below that there is a your order, in which they include the past order they have made, and below that there is a saved address, menu, and FAQs. So yeah, this is the whole UI UX of my catering application. Thank you so much.